In this video, I'm going to teach you how to export tickets from Zendesk. So in order to export your tickets, you first need to head over right here to zendesk.com, which is their site. And from in there, input right here your work email that you wish to use and click onto this try for free in order to sign up for a free trial. Now into this part, just proceed to click onto the sign in order to sign in their account right there. Now here is my dashboard into my Zendesk. So in order to export your ticket, we need to actually go to the admin center. Click onto this icon right here, which is our admin icon. And once you have clicked on that, you will be redirected in here into this site or this new tab that will have our admin center. So this will load our admin center right there. What we can do is we just need to go over to the account section and expand it. Once we have expanded it, we just need to go over to the tools and we should be able to find right here the option for reports. So if you can find the reports right here, what you can do is you can click onto the search bar and search in here for reports. It should be able to actually show up into this part, but if it's not, you can head over and then just input right here the tools option for it. Now, on some cases, because of the new update on the Explorer, what we can do is we can head over back into our actual agent dashboard and from in there locate the Explorer option for our actual reports. Here is our reporting, so proceed to click on that. Now, as you can see, reporting is now powered by Explorer, so click onto this Take Me to Explorer option. This should be able to show you the actual Explorer and it will give you all of the tickets as well as the reports that you currently have. So to the Explorer right here, just head over and start the guide and from in there, just proceed to export your tickets that you have available on that. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.